This is a staggered stance early cable chop. All I want you to think about when you hear the word early is that you're going to be chopping to the front leg. Here's how you set it up. I want your feet about hip width apart, soften your knees, and we want the line of pull just inside your base of support, so lined up with your midline. You're going to take one of your legs and pull your foot back so your toes even with your heel. Take the back leg, open that foot up at about a 30 to 40 degree angle right there, and relax. Let's let go of the glutes, let go of the abs, long soft exhale, find 3 points of contact, and find your stack where your ribs are lined up over your pelvis. You might feel some light oblique tension. Hold on to that for the duration of the drill. Grab the rope. Once you've got your body weight sunk into both feet, let's push off of your back leg, sinking your body weight into your front leg, feeling all 3 points of contact. Both feet have full contacts on both sides. Do not lose your contacts on the back leg. You'll probably need to focus on keeping your knee slightly soft throughout the drill to do that. While I set this up, I'm going to take an inhale, and I'm going to keep my knee on the front leg over my shoelaces. It's not going to move for the whole set. You do not want this shifting back when you are hinging. You're not going to have the same ability to open your hips up if your knee is moving a lot. This is a hip mobility drill. So here I'm going to inhale, I'm going to exhale, and I'm going to chop down, staying in a stacked position. I'm going to pull the ropes just inside my knee and return back to the top. Notice the knee is not moving. My hips are sinking back in a horizontal plane. That is a hinge. I'm getting a nice stretch in my back pocket of the right leg, and I am not losing the foot points of contact on the back leg. Common issues with this drill are not staying in a stacked position. You might notice that when you're hinging, you're going opening like this and open scissors, so you're no longer stacked, or you're rounding your back and you're not letting your hips get into the hinge. Another issue is, like I said before, the knee is coming back away. You want to keep that knee anchored the whole time. You're really going to feel a nice opening of the back pocket on that working leg. It's going to give you a little bit more hip mobility. Keep the feet working with the abs and the hips for your workouts, and you're going to feel a huge difference in your lifts.